How's this louvered roof been for you?
In all honesty, it so far exceeded our expectations. Originally, we were thinking about an awning. You dissuaded us from that for very logical reasons, and you introduced us to the concept. It's been a home run. It is the gathering place of the neighborhood.
Rain?
As long as it's not torrential and wind blowing horizontal, it's delightful. You can sit out here, listen to the rain hit the roof. It's zen-like.
You bring your cushions in and put covers over them?
No, I'm out here constantly. It's truly, you get what you pay for. It's beautifully engineered, sturdy.
It's an extension of the house, right?
Truly, yeah.
How was the sales process?
The sales process couldn't have been smoother. Every step of the way, the project managers that you brought in, the installers that you brought in, exceptional. I couldn't ask for a better relationship with a contractor. One of the beautiful things about this is it's all connected through my phone. You walk me through it, we got everything set up, and now there's virtually nothing that I can't work from my phone, which is delightful.
Tell me about the heaters.
The heaters, everyone who's out here for the first time and it gets chilly, close the louvers, turn on the heaters, and within 10 minutes, everyone is blown away by how toasty it is.
Really?
It's ridiculous how well it holds the heat. Or even in the wintertime. I'm out here in the wintertime. The aesthetic is beautiful, so nothing has violated that. Everything is fit in just perfectly. Nothing looks like an aftermarket add-on. Everyone you sent out here to do the work couldn't have been better.